Greetings from TaiyangNews. I am Shravan, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. Today I am at Intersolar Europe, one of the largest solar trade fair of the continent. And right now I am at the booth of SUNfarming. They are promoting some Agri-PV solutions. So we would hear more from them.
Thank you for visiting us. Yeah, my partner Raghu and my daughter Lena will present to you a little this, we call it Agrisolar idea from us, if you want. It is a double-use concept for planting, for vegetable production and for animal growing or animal production under the panel. So it's ever a use of energy plus food production. That is our base idea of doing our job. We started that about 20 years ago in Africa. To this time in Germany it was no market, and the glass modules what you need to go with some lights through the panels were too expensive to that time. Today everything changed, and Agrisolar is not so much more expensive and has even a better result in power, so that we can say it is highly economically feasible to build even in Germany. Worldwide, I think it's a hype as well, because to use land double, the farmers love that, and mayors and governments love that. And on islands is a must. So in Mauritius and all these places where the people have limited land, it's a must to do that. But even in India or all over in the world, it's a big advantage to save against sun, rain and hail the plants under the panels or the animals.